Planning a party that scores big with soccer fans? Want your decorations to bring the excitement of the field right into your home or backyard? Looking for fun, affordable, and creative ideas that show your team spirit? Need a setup that works for both kids and adults? Wondering how to turn simple party supplies into a full-on stadium celebration? If you're nodding yes, then keep watching. We're diving into soccer party decoration ideas that are fun, festive, and totally game-ready. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a great theme for a soccer party? A stadium-style theme works perfectly. Think green turf, soccer nets, team flags, and referee stripes. You can also personalize it with your favorite team's colors or go with a World Cup-inspired setup featuring multiple nations. Like the theme idea? Give this video a like. How can I decorate the food and snack table? Use a green tablecloth to mimic a soccer field, add soccer ball plates and cups, and use mini cones or goal nets as food displays. Label foods with soccer puns like hat trick hot dogs or goalie gack. Got a fun food idea? Drop it in the comments. What kind of centerpieces work best? Try using mini soccer balls, trophies, or foam fingers as table centerpieces. You can even DIY a vase filled with green shredded paper and plastic soccer-themed items for a festive flair. Save this tip for your centerpiece planning. What kind of centerpieces work best? Try using mini soccer balls, trophies, or foam fingers as table centerpieces. You can even DIY a vase filled with green shredded paper and plastic soccer-themed items for a festive flair. Save this tip for your centerpiece planning. How can I decorate the entrance for a big first impression? Set up an archway of balloons in team colors, add a welcome sign that says, "Welcome to the stadium," and roll out green turf or a soccer rug for a field entrance feel. Like making an entrance? Hit that like button. What backdrops work well for a soccer party? A green field backdrop with goalposts, team logos, or a stadium crowd image is perfect for photo ops. Hang it behind the dessert table or photo booth area for maximum impact. Planning a photo booth? Let us know in the comments. How do I bring team spirit into the decorations? Use team banners, flags, jerseys, or scarves as wall decor. You can also hang up player cutouts, foam fingers, or face masks of famous players for extra fan energy. Repping a team? Tell us your favorite one. What are some creative balloon decoration ideas? Use black and white balloons to mimic soccer balls, or arrange balloon columns in team colors. A balloon garland around your backdrop or entrance adds instant celebration energy. Love balloon decor? Save this for later. What should I include in a kid-friendly setup? Add soccer-themed party hats, inflatable balls, and mini goal games. Decorate the kids' table with activity placemats, coloring sheets, and easy-to-grab snacks in soccer print containers. Planning for little soccer stars? Comment goal below. How can I turn snacks into themed decor? Serve popcorn in mini soccer cups, arrange fruits in the shape of a soccer ball, and ice cookies with player numbers or flags. Even drinks can be dressed up with team-themed straws and cup sleeves. Into creative snacks? Like this tip to save it. What kind of lighting adds to the soccer vibe? Use LED lights in green or team colors. String lights shaped like soccer balls or mini stadium lights over tables or fences add fun touches, especially if your party runs into the evening. Love a well-lit setup? Let us know your favorite lighting idea. Can I use DIY decorations to save money? Absolutely. Make soccer goal nets with PVC pipes or hula hoops, craft paper banners with cutout soccer shapes, or paint mason jars with jersey numbers and use them as utensil holders. DIYing your party? Like this tip to show some love. How can I set up a cool drink station? Create a hydration station with water, juice, and sports drinks in clear dispensers. Add soccer labels to the bottles and use mini cones or green crates for a sporty setup. Want more drink table ideas? Leave a comment and let us know. What games or activities match the soccer theme? Set up a mini penalty kick game, soccer trivia, or a shootout contest with small prizes. Kids love a pass and score relay, and adults can get competitive with tabletop foosball. Like active party fun? Tag a friend who'd love this. What are some great party favors? Mini soccer balls, whistles, keychains, custom water bottles, or sticker packs all work great. Pack them in small drawstring bags, decorated with soccer prints or team colors. Favor ideas already flowing? Save this for party prep. A soccer party isn't just about decorations. It's about energy, spirit, and shared celebration. Whether you're hosting a birthday, watching the World Cup, or just bringing fans together, these ideas will help you create an unforgettable experience that scores big, from kickoff to final whistle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more party inspiration. That's always a win.